Good morning from country shortcut cooking. Griddle girl's out here chillaxing with Dad here this morning. We're getting ready to do a recipe a little bit later. Chinese chicken salad recipe, which is a derivative of the one I used to serve in my restaurant years ago. It's pretty close to being the same, and at the end of the video we'll show you the difference if you want to go up that flavor ladder a little bit and add the exact ingredient at the end. All right, so we're gonna have a couple bags of chopped romaine, can of mandarin oranges, good morning coffee, and some green onions, a pack of ramen noodles, a roasted chicken from the store, which don't look too close because the chicken's already taken off the bones. All that's left is the bag. And a thing of Asian style ginger sesame dressing. There will be several different flavors. You can find some derivative of that in all the grocery stores. So I'm gonna finish my coffee. Griddle girl's gonna finish her relaxing little pre-nap, and we'll see you in a few minutes. All right, we're doing the Chinese chicken salad recipe today that I used in my restaurant for years. It was the most popular salad that we had. And as I showed this morning, the ingredients, but we're gonna go over it again. But one of the things is, I like to use this cast iron for salads too. And the way you do that is I take a bag, fill it with ice cubes, and then it chills it real good for the salad to go in, okay? So this is very simple. We've got 2 bags of hearts of romaine, 9-ounce bags. Obviously the ingredients will be in the comments. Put that in there. This is our rotisserie chicken, 2 cups chopped up. Our mandarin oranges, the 1 can, and then I go ahead and cut them in half just to have a few more pieces floating around in there. You don't have to, or you can add 2 cans. This is our green onions, 4 of them, sliced. And then this is up for interpretation, but I use about a half a cup. This is that Asian sesame style dressing. If it's not enough, add a little more. It'll seem like it's not very wet, but you want everything just coated. So give me a second, and then I'm going to toss that thing up, and we'll be right back. All right, so we've got that tossed. Remember, if you want a little more dressing, you can go ahead and add it now. But then we're going to go ahead and check in with Griddle Girl and her friends of the day, because then we're going to add the last ingredient to the salad and take a big old bite of it. Be right back.
This is Jake, also known as Jakey Boy and Jacob. Jake is a 7-year-old West Highland Terrier who greets his mom by popping up on 2 legs and clapping his paws like he's cheering her return. Friendly with people and dogs alike, he's a social butterfly in a fluffy white coat. He's happiest curled up in cuddle mode, soaking up all the love he can get. This is Pippa, also known as Biscuit. Pippa is a 7-year-old Pomeranian mix who could easily pass for a pot-bellied pig in a dog costume. She owns 2 things outright, her very own chair and her dad's entire heart. At mealtimes, she spins in perfect little circles like a furry, curly-tailed tornado. When she's not busy twirling, she's snuggled up in the recliner, living her best life as her dad's loyal cuddle buddy and pint-sized piglet impersonator. She enjoys walks and loves stretching out on the cool tile when she can see her dad. Her fur is velvet soft, and she will soften your heart too.
My friend says her dog will retrieve a ball over a mile away. I don't know. That sounds a little far-fetched to me.
All right, then the last thing you do, we're going to take our ramen, sprinkle that over the top. The reason that you mix it all up first and then do this last is you want to keep this ramen crispy because you want to serve this right away. So then you just give it a quick toss like that. Find yourself something that's got all the pieces like that. That's good. Now we're going to go ahead and do a little bit up the flavor ladder to show you how you can finish this off if you want to go up just a little bit more.
Now with this right here, also if you want a little more crunchy, you can go ahead at this point and add another pack of ramen, smash it up with your rolling pin, and add a little more crunch. Now I'm going to show you how at the restaurant, instead of using the little ramen noodles, we use wonton wrappers and fry them. So 350, about an inch of oil. Spread them out as you plop them in there. Be careful because that's going to steam up a little bit, so don't put your hand right over there. You'll get burned. These don't take long. We're going to get this over here. And then all you do with these is they'll get lightly golden brown and they'll be done. And you can do as many of these as you want. So you can crunch it up, put the whole pack on there. I do about 5 or 6 at a time in small batches so that they get done and don't get all soggy. And I got my little Geber here. And then always on top of each batch, I put a little kiss of penny, a little salt on the top like that, and away you go. So now you've got these wontons all fried. You can replace the ramen with the wontons if you want and make as many as you want till it's as crunchy as you want. Enjoy.